What was that?
Nothing.
Peter, the car is making funny noises.
Oh, you're wrong again, Lois. That wasn't the car. Oh, you were right about that prune smoothie.
Are you okay?
I'll be fine. I just have to concentrate on driving. Oh, come on. That one's not even real. Oh, God, we gotta stop.
Wow, an Indian casino.
Yeah, I gotta find me the stink lodge. Come on, you guys, no time to lose. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Geez, this is gonna be a photo finish, Lois.
To be available for those who...
What was that? Oh, that doesn't feel right. Oh, God, it hurts. It hurts.
Of course it hurts, Griffin. They were good men, all of them.
I can't hold it in.
You don't have to, Griffin. Let it out. That's what we're here for.
This was supposed to be 23 minutes of silence, and there's kind of a lot of conversation going on.
Yeah!